Alright, today we're going to start our detox for week 1 of our Prevent Hair Loss Challenge, so let's get into it. Alright, hey my YouTube family, it's NowIamNappy. Y'all know we are starting the Prevent Hair Loss Challenge, which begins April 22nd. So again, I'm a few days ahead of you guys, giving you guys all the recipes and everything you need. Last week I showed you guys my trim and mini twist, y'all. This is the resulting twist out, and let me tell you, my hair feels incredibly soft and moisturized. I did use some of my shea butter to take down my twist, y'all, and I'm kind of sad that it's actually time to wash our hair and detox it, but you know what? The challenge begins. So first let's do a length check, and then let's get into this wash day. All right, so I'm gonna measure both sides. They look about even. It's always surprising to me that even though I cut my hair into twists, my hair ends up pretty even overall. And I'm also going to measure the front and my bangs. And then lastly, I'm going to measure my hair in the back. And y'all, I'm just giving a comparison of my waist, where my waist sits in the dress, as well as where my hair is. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to begin with the clays. I'm going to begin with Bentonite Clay. I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of Bentonite Clay, as well as 3/4 of a cup of Kaolin Clay. Now, if you have Rasool Clay, you could just use Rasool Clay. If you have less hair than me, you can cut this mixture in half. If you only have one of the clays, such as Bentonite Clay, you can just use that, or another clay like Rasool Clay. I will also leave some other recipes up top. Next, I'm going to go in with my Aloe Vera Juice. Now, you can use water, you can use tea, but it's really important to use something acidic because Bentonite Clay does have a high pH, and we want to bring this down. Now, if you don't have any teas available or aloe vera juice, you can use water and then use about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the mixture. And you want to make sure that the mixture gets nice and smooth. Once it does, we're going to go in with our rosemary essential oil. I just have it in this easy to use bottle. I'm going to add 20 drops of rosemary essential oil, as well as 20 drops peppermint essential oil. Alright, you guys, so now that I rinsed my hair with warm water, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into 2 sections. And if you notice, my hair is already divided into twists for ease of application. You know, I still got some inches even though I did that healthy trim. Alright, so let's go in with the clay, and let me tell you about some of the properties of the clay and how it's really great to detox, especially as we go into this challenge that helps to prevent hair loss. So Bentonite Clay is a mineral-rich clay. It contains minerals like magnesium, sodium, potassium, aluminum, and silica. And its main benefits or properties is to eliminate toxins, dandruff, dead skin cells, remove buildup, and draw out impurities. Now, it does this because Bentonite Clay has a high cation exchange capacity, which means that the clay has a negative charge, and the dirt, buildup, and dead skin cells have a positive charge, and they bind together and then are removed once you rinse your hair off. It also contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which are essential, especially as we begin this Prevent Hair Loss Challenge, as we noted that inflammation is one of the leading causes for hair loss. And if we're having certain types of scalp issues or dermatitis issues, Bentonite Clay can help soothe and heal the skin on your scalp. Now, Bentonite Clay is one of the most absorbent clays, with Rasool coming in as medium absorption and Kaolin Clay coming in with the least absorbing properties. So if you have a ton of buildup, using just Bentonite Clay is great, but if you want a good mix, I highly recommend mixing as many clays together to provide a more balancing clay. So if you have the Rasool Clay along with the Kaolin Clay, this adds more conditioning properties to your mix. Now let's discuss a little bit more about Kaolin Clay and some of its other properties. Now, Kaolin Clay, very similar to how Bentonite Clay does, cleanses and exfoliates the scalp by removing any excess buildup, dirt, and oils on the scalp. It also helps to detoxify your hair and scalp, which then allows the nutrients and minerals to penetrate and absorb into your hair better. And because it has a similar pH to our hair, it's also great to add to the Bentonite Clay to help balance out its high pH. This allows your hair cuticle to be smooth and lay flat, helping to minimize frizz and define your curls. Now adding in the peppermint and rosemary essential oil help to bring that tingling and cooling effect to the scalp, increasing blood circulation as we are trying to not only prevent hair loss, but help regenerate and restore those follicles that may currently be inactive due to poor hair care practices, inflammation, or lack of blood circulation in the area. So we're going to leave this mask on for 20 minutes and make sure you cover your hair. You definitely do not want this mixture to dry out on your hair. And y'all, I popped right back on. I also put it on my face, and I'm going to use it under my underarms as a nice detoxifying mask. Boom, y'all, 20 minutes later, and look at my hair. Look at these curls. Oh my goodness, so moisturized, so defined. My scalp is very clean, but it does not feel stripped at all. So I'm going to go in with my oat and aloe deep conditioner, y'all. It's time to make sure our strands are not just look good, but are hydrated. I'm gonna use this mask, of course, apply it topically and then go in section by section. I am gonna hop in the shower to fully finger detangle my hair. If you're looking for how I do that, you can definitely check out the video on my screen. But I'm just giving you a brief, quick synopsis here. As I sit here, I'm going to apply it again, the deep conditioner in section, run my hands down the length of my hair to finger detangle as much as possible, and the rest will be done off screen. So I left the deep conditioner in for 1 hour, and I used my hot cap and rinsed it out, and these are the results, y'all. I have a lot of bounce back, a lot of shrinkage. My hair is just hydration and moisture and ready for styling. I'm going to be using actually my oat and aloe leave-in conditioner today, spraying that all around, and then using my hibiscus and shea base styler. And I'm going to section my hair into large twists to dry overnight. So of course my microphone was not plugged in for this section, but y'all, all I did was put my hair into 2 twist buns. You can find the video of how to do this right on the screen. And y'all, make sure you guys are doing a low manipulation or low tension style, because we do not want to put any added stress on our hair follicles during this entire challenge. Also, if you're looking for other cute low manipulation styles, you can check out our protective style challenge, which I'll link on the screen. And you guys, if you haven't heard already, I'll be at the Talia Wajid World Natural Hair Show this weekend in Atlanta, April 22nd and 23rd. If you're down there, I hope to see you guys there. And if you guys have any questions regarding the challenge, please leave it in the comment section down below. But that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.